Okay.
Hey. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hey. See, ours is very simple. We check in dancing. We check in dancing. Today I've come with a friend. Yes, I've come with a friend. Ivy Salimia Watu, wave at the people. So welcome to Lolo TV Fitness. You know how we do. Yeah. We're happy people. Never smile. It's very good. Yes. So yes, we're here again. It's another week, another episode. You know how we do. I'm Sha Jirani, I'm Sha Neighbor, I'm Sha Auntie, I'm Sha Mom, I'm Sha Kila Mtu, so that they can join us. Yes, for our session today. So, I think today we'll just get straight into it. Ivy is not too new to fitness, but you can follow her. Senor, pole. This exercise is for everyone. Senor, no, she's not even scared. Yes? So, pole, tuanza ku stretch. Just matter the spot kidogo. Open up our knees, our hips kidogo. Hey, as we enjoy the music, this is for the living, man. Hey, easy things, Hey, let's go wide kidogo. Yeah, keep breaking your knees, swing side to side. Hey, enjoy the music, man. Hey. We come close. Now we push our hands forward.
Hey, what's up, everyone? This is your girl
push your palm out.
and you're listening to DJ Shinsuke.
Bringing you the best mix of music from across the globe.
It's
none other than DJ Shinsuke. Live in the mix. Log on to www.djshinsky.com.
Yes. Alright, go wide. Go wide. Hey, swing. Alright, drop your hands to your side. Alright, now stop swaying for a bit. Just point out your fingertips to the ground. Hey, easy business. Yes. I don't know how you're feeling. Chest out. Try and lift your shoulders high. Do you feel that stretch? Simple business. Alright, eyes front. All the way out. Make sure your fingertips are. If there's a wall in front of you, point at that wall, yes? And smile. Yes. Alright, last one. You point to the ceiling, to the sky if you're outside like us. Enjoy the music, man. So nice on your back, your toes, your legs, your hands. This feels awesome. I don't know how you feel. If it's painful, cool it down a bit. Alright. Swing it out. Alright, let's match it up again. Hey. You play me like Iloto. I told you, we are happy people. Pole, hatuna haraka. And besides, kuna baridi. You have to get active somehow. Hey. So today we'll do. Most of our exercises are not going to be having props, so we are the props today. So simple, easy peasy things because it's cold and people are scared of getting out of their blankets. So we're just going to get active, yes? So we'll be doing a lot of arms and yes, legs. So just get your hands out like this. Try and lift them up. Yes. Chest out and smile. Never forget your smile when you're working out. You're not punishing yourself. Yeah? So what you're going to be doing would be just closing it in. Don't bring it all the way together. So just bring it at least to your shoulder width. Yes, like that. Then alright? So when you bring it in, it's like you're squeezing something. Yes? You'll feel it somewhere in your back. So that's 3. After your illustration tunaisabu 4, hey, 5, we're going for 10, smile, 6, good stuff, 7, 8, good job, keep going, 9, Last one. 10. Yes. Again, active rest. Rahisi, mambo rahisi, mambo rahisi. You can say, oh, I didn't have time. Oh, nini. Pole pole tu. Sindio? Yes? Aya. Again, to the hands. I'll take a step back so that Abby takes the forefront. Aya, arms straight out. Yeah? Just keep them straight up. And then point to the farthest point from you. Use your fingertips. Yeah? Lift your head up. So that's you're not moving. Alright. Now we'll be pumping up and down. Somebody call the 4, 5, 8. I want to report the murder case. 7. Keep going. 8. On my baby. 9. 1 man down and 10. Flip your hands. And now we pump again, alright? 20. 1. Hey. 2. You can switch to the music. 3. 4. Try and lock your hands. Make sure your hands are straight. Yes. Yes. So this is the movement. Don't hold your ear. Are you counting? How many? 5. You know it's painful when people are counting. 6. Hey. 7. 3 more to go. 8. Let's go. Hey. 2 more. And 1 more. Last one. Drop. Swing it out. Swing it out. Let me come back to the front. Hey. How are your arms feeling? There's a sting, yeah? No way. No way. It's painful for now, but you're going to enjoy it so much later. Kianza leo, tena kesho kutwa. You used to it. Yes? Kabla tujaenda mahali, tunarudi tu hapo tena. That was a break. Again, so now we pump forward. Yes, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, not too far. 2, 3, yes, that's one. 4, let's go. 5, smile. 6, 7, lift your hands a bit. 8, keep going. 9, and turn it to the back. Let's go. 1, breathe. 2, I know it stings. 3, keep going, you're almost there. 4, you're almost halfway through. 5, we're halfway. 6, keep going. 7, 8, 2 more. 9, and 10. I swing it. I know. Pole. Yeah. Sijali. Later on, you'll be there rocking this sleepless shuffling. Like now, you already know. Alright? So again, we switch to something else. You can sip your water. It's good to sip water when you're working out. I have my old tumbler there. I've been drinking water from the jug. So as we wait for Ivy, we actively rest. Yes. Hey, Ivy is ready. Now show Ivy how to box. Your hands go here, right under your chin. Yes. So when you throw the first jab, you go. Yes, straight on. Yes, make sure it's your shoulder height. Yes. Then when you come back, so make sure you twist when you go. Yes, your leg goes. So again, 3, I was counting. 4, we're going for 10. 5, good stuff. 6, 7, 8, twist your body. 9, and 10. I like it. It's fun. Let's go. Now we go. Now you know what to do. No. Yes. So we go. Yes. Remember it's your shoulder height. Yes. No. But now it's like you're shadow boxing. Yes. Yes. There you go. But now there's a twist. Power. Because you know what you're doing now. Sindo, tuongeze nguvu. Are we ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jab. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See? That was easy. In short, we should do a second set. Are you ready? Hey, hi. Now we go for 15. Because you know what you do. And more power. Alright? Remember, when you jab, you twist your body. Alright? So this is your start and this is your finish. So you deliver, come back. Deliver. So your body goes. Alright? Let's go. 15. Cindy, you count. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We won't carry on. Crazy guests like make this stallion. But my girlfriend, they turn me on. 10. That's why I hold on tight. 5. Hey. This is how we switch sides. 7. Hey. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? Even though Tata, we're not even going to spend too much time at the street resting. Now, we'll do a crab walk. Let me see my walk. Hope you guys are following through at home. Usisumbue jirani sana. Akisumbuka pia naye unamuita unamwambia kuja tufanye mazoezi bana. This life is for the living. Kuna mtu anaumia mahali, haizi toka kwa kitanda. This chick is fun. Like, working out is not painful. It's not a punishment. Sindio? Yeah, how are you feeling? Sindio, this is easy. All you need to do is stay active. All you need to do is stay active. Here too. It's not a punishment. It's just for half an hour, and you're doing good. So say, stand at chini. I'll show you. Let me get behind you a bit. So you get into a squat, yes? Get into a squat, and then to the side. Right? So just take 4 steps, alright? To either side. Alright? So yeah, just. So we take 4 steps to the right, and then we take a 4 steps back. Alright? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 20. 1, stuff. 2, 3, 4, let's go. 1, hey, let's go. There's no wrong way for moving. As long as you're moving, you're doing your body good. Unless it feels painful, you need to adjust yourself. Sindio? I hope you're not feeling pain. Let's go. Last 1. 3, 2. Hey, match it out. Hey. See, exercise doesn't have to be boring. Some people take it as too serious business. So, now, oh Lord. Hi, jump kidogo. Yeah, go. Here they need to lunch break. Hey, yeah. This life is for the living. Just live. So now we'll do jumping jacks with a little twist. Hizi miguu lazima tuzijenge. Hii baridi kishaisha kuna kajua kengine kanataka kukuja hapa. We have to be ready. Yes. Everybody's ready. Alright, so this is what we do. So we'll do down, then up. So it's yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up. It's okay. As long as you move. Let's go again. Open. Down. Stop. Open. It's okay. Keep going. 2. Go. Open. Down. Power. 3. Down. And stroke. Down. 4. Open. 6. 7, 8, 8. It's okay. You got your own pace. Yes. As long as you finish by 15. It's alright. How many? 12. 14. Last one. Check it out. Check it out. Hey. Yeah? Always insist. Finish what you started. Senior, even if it's going to take you longer, finish it. Because you're the one who knows what good it's doing to you. And you get bragging rights. Nilimaliza. Nilifanya nikamaliza. So, yeah. So, usichoke, usijinyime, usijifunge. Alright? So again, I think today is office now. Today. Now, we will run for the sports. I'm sure kuna lot of gonna get kitu tukiwa PE. But it's not too bad. So this is what we'll do. We'll just run on the spot. Yes, narrow, and then we'll do wide. Okay? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go wide. Let's go narrow. Let's go wide. Let's go narrow. Hey. Let's go wide. Hey. Narrow. 2 more. Wide. Last one. Wide. All right. Of course, active rest is no longer racy. Get your feet off the ground. Do you? Hey. Then, hey. Hey. I know we wash those legs. Was that so hard? A short time of your day, you do not have an excuse for not working out. So stop with the excuses. Get active. Get off your couch. Get off your bed. Do some good to your body. See now? Hey. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Down. Grab your ankles if you can reach. If you can't, it's okay. Wherever you reach, it's alright. Now. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Come up to your knees. Place your hands on your knees. Lift your head, look forward. Kama kuna ukuta mbele yako muone. Kama kuna mtu mbele yako msmailia.
And Twitter at DJ Shinsky and download this mix at djshinsky.com.
1. Go back down. Grab the left leg. Opposite leg. Try and bring your head down, yes? As far as you can. If this is the farthest you can go, it's fine. This is day 1. There's going to be day 59 and you'll be going all the way, so it's fine. As long as you're trying, it's alright. Hey. 3, 2, 1. Let's switch. Alright. Pull it down. Go as far as you can. Remember, again, if this is the farthest you can go, it's sour. Next time you'll go farther. 3, 2, 1. Go back. Sit together. I need us to go low into a squat. Balance iko vizuri. Alright, let's go down. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Hold there. Feel it. I go lower. Go lower. Feel it. Long. Yes. That's what I was looking for. Let's bounce, it don't work. Sometimes it stings. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. You guys have been brilliant. You guys are awesome. You guys are deadly. Let's go. So again, feel free to join us. We're at Lolo TV Fitness. You can find us on our socials. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Lolo TV, Kenya. You're going to find us there. You'll find all our episodes there. If there's any episode you missed, you can play it back. And if you want to rewatch anything, if you want to host a workout party with your friends, it's alright. And yes, let us know what you think about the show, and if there's anything you want us to do to add. Hey, if you want to join us, just let us know. And then again, tell us what was your favorite part of the workout and what you think about the workout. And again, it's very easy. Get off your couch, get active. It's me, Afrofab, and signing out. See you next time.
Try to stop it, just no. Okay.